Jai Srimannarayana. 38th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tvamadidevaha Purushah Puranaha Tvamasya Visvasya Param Nidhanam Vettasi Vedyancha Parancha Dhama Tvaya Tatam Visvam Anantarupa. Om. Realize that Sri Krishna Paramatma is the supreme support of this entire universe. Sri Krishna Paramatma is only the one that has to be essentially known by you. Sri Krishna Paramatma should be your highest goal, supreme goal. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the supreme support of this entire universe. O Krishna, I realize that you are the one essentially should be known by me. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, you should be my supreme goal. Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 190th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma went inside the throat of Aghasura and started expanding there. Then Aghasura was unable to breathe, and then his life, there was no way that can come out, that life air, life force. Finally that life force, Murdhan Vinirbhidya Vinirgato Bahihi, that life force, it peeled out the top hole of the head of Aghasura. It broke the head and came out. Immediately Aghasura died. ప్రాణవాతంబులు సంతాపించి శిరము వ్రొక్కలు వాపి కొనుచు వెడలి చనియపటు ఘోషముతో. That Aghasura's head with a big sound broke into pieces. Then that life force came out. Aghasura died. Then Mukundaha Bhagavan, Paramatma, who gives us liberation, mukti, such Paramatma with his divine nectar-like vision, he has seen all his Gopalas and calves, and all of them immediately got up from their unconsciousness. Then along with all of them, Krishna Paramatma Viniryayo, he came out of the mouth of that python, Aghasura. After that, Aghasura's body, from that body, there comes one wonderful effulgence, glow, tejas. And while all the devatas are witnessing, Isha Nirgamam Vivesa Tasmin Mishatam Divaukasam. That glow, that effulgence, that spark which came out from Aghasura's body got into Sri Krishna Paramatma's body. That means the Mukunda, Sri Krishna Paramatma, who gives liberation, moksham to everyone, he gave moksham to Aghasura also. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 38th sloka. Tvamadi Devah Purushah Puranaha. Tvamasya Visvasya Param Nidhanam. Vettasi Vedyancha Parancha Dhama. Tvaya Tatam Visvamananta Rupa. Tvamadi Devah Purushah Puranaha. Tvamasya Visvasya Param Nidhanam. Vettasi Vedyancha Parancha Dhama. Tvaya Tatam Visvamananta Rupa. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.